Ohio, Gale, Harrison, and Tuscaloosa. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County and east central Ohio, northeastern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, southwestern Carroll County and east central Ohio, central Tuscaloosa County and east central Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newcomerstown, or 12 miles southwest of New Philadelphia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Unionville, Carrollton, Newcomerstown, Denison, Natick-Hutton, Tuscaloosa, Baltic, Seal, Midvale, Port Washington. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile 165 and 82. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. Severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Perry County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, Morgan County in south